I will cut the bacon.
Don't cut yourself.
Am I cutting off the rind, right?
Yeah.
No.
We might need a sharper knife.
No.
I will cut the bacon into small bits.
And then. Okay, simmer for 10 minutes.
Quarts of water
It
is
still
like
seems
a
like a
lot.
lot.
I will pour water
How do you
into a
Wait,
pan.
but it didn't say how.
Ignite the flame. I will carelessly drop the bacon into the pan.
Did you like? And then we can like. Wait, Josh, guess
I
the
will
list of
stir the bacon in the water. I will begin peeling the onions.
Ready?
I can like cut the video, so
I'll make it look really nice.
go.
Ready? Get really close.
Wait, I don't remember.
Are you ready?
Stefan attempts to cut the onion.
Oh, this is great. This is great stuff.
Yeah.
I pour water on the bacon bits.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
One word, olive oil.
Just like make it look like you're doing something. And then smile. Lay bacon. Press it. Lay bacon. So we're getting.
Stefan enjoys a tasty snack when he should be working.
Oh. That's not.
Eat it.
It's fine. It's fine. Doesn't have to be bone dry.
What was that?
Actually, no,
supposed to be
guys,
doing?
it's still pretty wet. It's pretty wet. It's pretty wet.
I release the bacon bits from the confines of the red bowl.
I'm gonna be like very like Julia Child.
Stefan presses down on the bacon bits.
Full day.
I don't think you need
Lay
to press it that.
bacon. Press it. Lay bacon.
It's a
So
lot.
we're getting go.
Stefan shakes the bacon
shake out,
bits
not like
off of
force.
his supple fingers.
Okay, now it kind of looks
Get
good.
in
It
there.
needs to
Get
be
in there.
very lightly browned, okay?
Just pop that mother in there. Let's go. Let's go.
I really want to like scrub this around.
It's not 5 yet.
I will stir
No, but I have to
the bacon
I have
bits.
to leave at 5. I mean, I have to be here at 5.
Go.
Okay, that's good.
Everyone is enjoying themselves.
Filming this.
Taste test. Yum.
What about Caroline?
Eat it. Eat it.
Okay, what? What about Caroline?
The bacon bits are distributed onto a paper towel.
Stop, you guys. Put it all on one side.
Stefan attempts to cause a ruckus in the kitchen.
No, we need the out.
Zoe is not happy about this.
Wait, can we just like take it out?
We put the chicken onto
You're
the
literally scaring me
pan.
to ruin that video right
Because
now.
I need to.
So this is a very important piece of our video. Go.
This is a very important piece.
Go.
We're not.
We will
turning it yet,
flip
Stefan, this is just gonna be
the
bad.
chicken.
Oh, the skin's coming off. Okay, guys, I have to go.
Okay,
Are you
bye,
serious?
Stefan.
I'm sorry.
The chicken continues to sizzle and nizzle on that pan. You feel me? I'll see you in 30 minutes. Zoe pours an unnamed hard alcoholic beverage onto the chicken and lights that bad boy.
So you do the finger on there.
She continues to finesse the chicken until properly cooked.
Ah! Ah! Oh yeah! Woo!
So just shake back and forth until it goes out. Oh,
Just on the.
we won.
More wine is added.
This is like a lot of wine. This is really like.
Some tomato sauce is evenly distributed onto the chicken.
Might want to stir that around a little bit.
Okay, I think we should flip it. So.
Oh god, there's. Two cloves mashed garlic.
Yum.
I don't know how to mash garlic, so someone else can do that part.
Oh, that's nice. Go, go.
Get it into the
Zoe wastes my time.
Wait, can we put bouillon on the other side too?
No.
Are you sure?
How do you mash garlic?
Okay, just like cut it up and mash it.
You Bailey
Draw it a little bit.
A single bay leaf is added. Thus begins the chopping of the garlic.
Oh dang, that is a full boil. 4, 5, 6, I think. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just put all of them.
At like 5:25, we should check on the chicken, okay? At 5:25.
We smush the garlic.
Are you taking?
Was that it?
What?
Throw ham on it as well.
Pan.
I pour
Should I go?
the onion balls into the pan.
For now.
I let that simmer for 30 minutes. I cut
Hey,
the
If you're taking a
mushrooms.
video, you might want to take
The mushrooms are bounced on the pan. The sauce is poured into another pan.
and then skim off fat and
It's like kind
Oh,
of
okay.
turns. Like
The chicken is flipped one last time.
Okay, so
I add the banana. Just kidding.
back up.
I add the mushrooms to the sauce.
I just don't like how they're like juicy.
And then
like, black.
stir it around a little bit.
Yeah, well. Okay, this might taste it taste.
Go up.
Done.
I thought we were jumping.
I thought we weren't gonna.